Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Are you doing well? I'm doing rather well. I really hope you are as well. I'm really excited for today because I'm gonna be surprising one of my best friends by taking her to a horse riding club. She really loves horses, but she has never been to a horse riding club or ridden a horse. So it's gonna be really great to see her reaction and just see everything happen. Let's go. We picked up Demi and we're going somewhere, but she has no idea where. She probably thinks I'm gonna kill her somewhere.
Yes.
We will arrive soon, so she will see pretty soon. We just got back. We changed because we got a bit dirty. Overall it was an amazing experience. We couldn't film the ride, but I enjoyed it. What about you?
Yeah, me too.
And she wants to go back and take all the horses home. Yeah, I think she was crying when we were leaving, and she's crying right now as well. But overall, I think it was a great surprise and experience, right?
Yeah.
That was it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and we will post more, right?
You? Yeah.
You want to be part of my videos?
No.
Okay, bye.